So this is our Muscovy hen that went broody recently. She's sitting on a bunch of eggs. They usually lay between 12 and 19 of them, and she's going to sit on them for about 35 days. She's been sitting on them for about a week and a half now. She's very protective, and she makes these funny noises. Sometimes the chickens try to share the nest with her and lay chicken egg. I find chicken eggs in here with her, so I usually check every day. There's none in there right now. Right now the chickens are using their own nest, which is over there. I put this together out of that wheel that I had sitting in here, covered it with straw and put it inside this tub so it'll protect from the droppings from the chickens that like to roost up here.